name is Stella Jones. I'm with the NAACP Lake County, Waukegan, Illinois. Under the leadership of Dr. Sandra LeConte, we received a COVID-19 grant from IDPH, Illinois Department of Health, which was community-based and is about education and outreach. We have been helping and assisting others through COVID. Over the 2.5 years, I've not had COVID, but I experienced COVID less than a month ago, about 3 weeks ago now. It was debilitating, to say the least. I was down, I was in bed for like 2 days. I had gone to a family reunion. I did not get to attend a family reunion because I was in bed sick. I had cold, chills, fever. The coughing was incessant. It was just nonstop, complete tiredness. I couldn't do anything. Knowing now what COVID consists of, I want to be able to help others going through COVID. So what we're going to do is make sure that we provide everything that they need so they can stay at home, whether they need medication, whether they need food, whether they need some errands run. And we want to absolutely thank Sisters Network for all they did and all of their partners, all of our members, all of our sister members that provided things for us. And so that has been a great help. They gave us masks, they gave us thermometers. Dr. Sandra Underwood, a great navigator and educator, also provided us and made sure that we had all we needed when it came to the pandemic. So in the Lake County area, many people were very afraid of taking the COVID-19 vaccination. Through the NAACP and through our COVID grant, what we do is we're trying to educate people, getting health navigators, doctors, scientists to talk to what was going on and how the vaccination was safe for everyone to take. We had the Waukegan Library, we had churches, the IDPH came out, the Lake County Health Department came out, and so we made sure that everyone had a vaccination to be able to combat this disease that we were going through and make sure that it did not spread any more than it had to. I myself took the vaccination. I took both vaccinations, and I also took a booster. I encouraged my family members for them to get it. COVID-19 is not gone yet. Please get your vaccinations. If you can, if you don't believe in that, at least get the education, because I didn't believe in it at first myself. But what I did was I listened to scientists. I listened to people that looked like me, that I trusted. And that's what we should do. Try to find everything you can out about it and then make a decision that I do need to be vaccinated and or I don't. But at least understand that we do need to keep our 6 feet distance. We do need to wash our hands continually still to stop the spread.